If you are a writer looking for ways to make some extra cash or even make writing your full-time career, then watch this video till end. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 websites that pay for articles and blog posts. The first one is Funds for Writers. Funds for Writers is a website that publishes articles on writing grants, contests, and other opportunities for writers. If you have experience with grant writing or knowledge about writing opportunities, then Fund for Writers is the perfect platform for you. Fund for Writers pays its writers up to $50 per article. Second website is Top 10s. Top 10s is a site where you can publish articles in the form of a list with a heading like Top 10 and so on, stating some interesting but rarely known facts. Top 10s pays $50 for each accepted article. You can easily make anywhere between $100 to $200 per month, depending on the number of articles you write and how many of them get accepted. The third website is Money Pantry. Money Pantry is looking for unique money making and money saving ideas. If you have tried something that has helped you improve your finances, Money Pantry will publish your article. So this is all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.